Hello friends, today I'm gonna create red gothic nails and for that I bought some cat eye gel polishes. So now I have this red cat eye also. I'm so excited to see how it looks. I'm applying base coat only at the center of my nail bed just for the minimal grip. Guys, if you watch my videos regularly then you already know that I have only one cat eye in my whole gel polish collection. So this is my second time. Let's see the magnetic effect of this. As you know that I don't work with cat eyes that much, so the arrangement of these magnetic particles take very much time because I never practiced on this. Today I want that particular arrangement which usually we see in the vampire nails. And I got that. Let's complete this process on every nail and then move to the next step. I have to do chrome steps so I convert the surface into matte. Let's do a little DIY because I don't have the 3D art gel. I'm using this black spider gel and you can see that I haven't opened this so much. The mess is all over, avoid it. I'm gonna mix top coat in this. Honestly, I don't know if this is non-wipe or not and I'm not gonna test it out. Let's get into it. Guys, did you notice something in today's set? I did not show you the inspo because I have not any. I'm working freely, it's like freestyle set. This is my very first time for drawing these structures and of course with this DIY. Here I tried to make that gothic heart, but honestly I don't have clear image of that in my mind, so I tried this 2 times and give up. Maybe next time I'll try this again. Once I tried this with little bit thick liner brush and then I tried it with thin liner brush and this did not work for both, so I changed the plan and drew some strokes like this. Guys, I'm thinking at the moment and put anything comes first because this is what looks when you don't have inspo or anything pre-decided in your mind. I hope this ends with a great vibe. The charm step is very hard to do because you have to arrange the tiniest things one at a time, and finding the right position of these is not a piece of cake. On the thumb, my mind said I should test that silver cat eye. So for that, I sculpted this cube structure and I don't know what the results of this. I just let it be what it is. This is the final look, the red gothic luxury nails. Honestly, I would say that these are looking good, but I'm proud of myself that I completed this freestyle challenge very well. Hope you love this too. See you again. Bye.